Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to monetize Twitter using Twitter Subscribe. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Twitter, click on the sign up option at the bottom. And from here, you can continue signing up with Google, your Apple account, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, subscriptions are a way for people's most engaged followers to help them earn money from X for their contributions on the platforms. Now, when someone has a subscription offering, their followers can sign up to access bonus posts credited especially for them. Now, let's go to the Twitter Subscribe, because from here we can learn how to turn your ideas into cash using the Twitter's latest tools. All right, now here you can monetize your content, whether it's through your tweets, videos, or spaces. There are plenty of ways to monetize the content you produce on Twitter. Number one is Twitter offers the two video monetization programs, which is the Amplify Pre-roll and Amplify Sponsorship. Now, if you want to know more about these platforms, just click on them later. But for now, let's go to the super follows, because super follows can help you earn monthly revenue by offering an extra level of content and interaction as a monthly subscription. So that's one way as a tool for the Twitter subscription. You set the price between $2.99 to $9.99 and the type of bonus content and interactions. Of course, from here you can offer a monthly subscription that can help you earn revenue and connect with your Twitter fans on a deeper level. All right, and when you click on the super follows right here, it will enable you to have your followers tip you on your Twitter profile. It's available on iOS and Android, and tips allows you to make money via third-party payment service, and Twitter does not take a cut of tips. All right, so it's all on you. Now, you offer a monthly subscription that can help your revenue and connect with their Twitter fans on a deeper level. All right, now here are some easy to use platform to manage, which is going to be the Media Studio. It's an easy to use platform to manage, measure, and monetize your Twitter content, so that whenever you activate the super follows, you have a tool that can help you with that. All right, so you can go beyond 280 characters and use images, GIFs, videos, and live streams, and a lot more. Okay, and I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.